Good evening and welcome. Tonight we're diving into OnePlus's latest strategy for dominating the performance for less market. The company has just revealed two additions to its popular Ace 5 series, the Ace 5 Ultra and the Ace 5 Racing. Both aim to deliver flagship-level speed and endurance at remarkably affordable prices, though securing one outside China may prove tricky. Let's break down what makes these phones stand out. True to its name, the Ace 5 Ultra pushes OnePlus's hardware envelope. At its core sits MediaTek's top-tier Dimensity 9400 processor on octa-core society, built on a 4nm process that rivals many premium chipsets. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing video, this silicon promises blistering performance. Display a 6.83-inch OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and higher than Full HD resolution, roughly 2400 x 1080 pixels, ensuring both smooth motion and crisp visuals. Memory and storage: LPDDR5X RAM in either 12GB or 16GB, paired with UFS 4.0 storage, ranging from 256GB up to a massive 1TB. Camera setup: a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS and f1.8 aperture, plus an 8MP ultra-wide module. Up front, a 16MP selfie camera resides in a centered punch hole. Programmable side button: a physical key along the frame that you can map to shortcuts, everything from launching the flashlight to invoking AI tools. Perhaps the most headline-grabbing claim: a 6700 mAh cell capable of 100W rapid charging. OnePlus's bypass charging technology means the phone can game continuously, even while juice pours in. According to the company, 10 minutes charge 3 hours of gaming. 0 to 100% in just 39 minutes. That's a game-changer for heavy users who need fast top-ups between sessions. Networking receives a boost too. The Ace 5 Ultra integrates OnePlus's G1 connectivity chip, which allegedly improves Wi-Fi stability and speed by around 33%. On the cooling front, a multi-layer setup, featuring a vapor chamber of about 7,300mm, ensures sustained performance without throttling. In China, the Ace 5 Ultra starts at $2,499. Roughly $350, for the 12GB 256GB model. The flagship 16GB 1TB edition is $3,799, about $530. Color options include blue, black, and titanium silver with stripe detailing. As of now, OnePlus has not confirmed global release plans, though fans in other markets remain hopeful. If raw charging speed isn't your top priority, the Ace 5 Racing offers a compelling alternative. It trades the Ultra's top-end chip for a slightly tuned-down MediaTek Dimensity 9400E, but keeps much of the core experience. Display: 6.77-inch AMOLED, 120Hz, Full HD. Memory and storage: same 12GB 16GB LPDDR5X UFS 4.0 up to 512GB. Camera: 50MP main sensor, 2MP monochrome assist, plus a 16MP front camera. Battery: a whopping 7,100 mAh cell with 80W fast charging and bypass support. Cooling: vapor chamber spans around 7,000mm for heat dispersion. You still get OnePlus's side button shortcuts, AI-driven video, upscaling to 4K, and image object removal tools. The Ace 5 Racing begins at $1,799, about $250, for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Available in white, black, and mint green. It positions itself as the most battery-centric OnePlus phone to date. Both models underline OnePlus's flagship killer ethos: high-end features at mid-range prices. The Ultra is for enthusiasts who demand top performance and rapid charging. The Racing appeals to power users valuing battery life above all. Given OnePlus's growing global footprint, these devices could arrive in other regions soon. If they do, buyers outside China may finally snag a true flagship experience without the flagship price tag. OnePlus's Ace 5 Ultra and racing models demonstrate that cutting-edge chipsets, giant batteries, and breakneck charging speeds no longer require premium pricing. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a heavy multitasker, there's a version designed to match your priorities provided you can get your hands on one. Stay tuned for updates on global availability. For now, these offerings reaffirm OnePlus's commitment to pushing boundaries in performance and value. That's our deep dive into OnePlus's latest flagship killers. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.